Poor posture can sneak into your life quietly, until the back pain, fatigue, and tension start to show. Whether you sit all day at a desk or slouch while scrolling your phone, posture problems affect almost everyone. The good news? With a few simple habits, you can start correcting your posture in just 1 week. This isn't about perfection, it's about retraining your body to move and hold itself more naturally. In this video, we'll walk you through a 7-day routine to improve posture and reduce discomfort. These daily exercises and awareness tips are easy to follow and take just minutes each day. Stick with it, and you'll start to feel more aligned, confident, and energized by the end of the week. Let's get started and give your spine the support it truly deserves. 1. Day 1. Posture awareness check-in. Start by noticing your posture throughout the day, standing, sitting, walking, even texting. Use mirrors or take photos from the side to see how your head and shoulders align. Your ears should stack over your shoulders, and your hips should line up with your ankles. Many people unknowingly lean forward or hunch, creating tension and imbalance. Today's goal is awareness. Become conscious of where you hold tension and how you carry yourself. No judgment, just observation. It's the first step to making real change. Set reminders to sit tall and roll your shoulders back gently throughout the day. Awareness lays the foundation for the rest of your posture journey. 2. Day 2. Shoulder rolls and chest openers. Modern life pulls our shoulders forward, especially with phones, laptops, and long commutes. Start your day with 10 shoulder rolls in each direction to release built-up tension. Then, clasp your hands behind your back and gently lift your chest for a deep heart opener. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds and breathe deeply to expand your front body. You can also use a doorway stretch to target tight pectoral muscles. These simple moves activate your back and remind your shoulders where they belong. Perform this routine morning and night to improve flexibility and awareness. A more open chest leads to better posture and deeper breathing. 3. Day 3. Chin tucks for head alignment. Forward head posture is one of the most common posture issues today. To fix it, practice chin tucks by drawing your head back without tilting your chin up or down. Imagine making a double chin while staying tall and relaxed in your neck. Do 10 reps, holding each one for 5 seconds to strengthen deep neck muscles. This trains your head to align over your spine instead of jutting forward. You can practice this while driving, at your desk, or lying on the floor. The more you repeat it, the more natural it becomes. Chin tucks are small but mighty for improving head posture. 4. Day 4. Wall test and core engagement. Stand with your back against a wall, heels, butt, shoulders, and head touching. This is your posture reset position, helping you feel what proper alignment actually is. Notice if your lower back arches too much or if your head can't touch the wall. Now engage your core slightly to support your spine and reduce that arch. Practice holding this posture for 1 to 2 minutes, breathing deeply. The goal isn't stiffness, it's active, supported alignment. Doing this daily will build body memory and strength in key areas. Feel the difference in how upright and energized you become. 5. Day 5. Seated posture fixes. Let's fix how you sit, because most posture damage happens during long sitting hours. Sit on the edge of your chair with your feet flat and hips slightly above knees. Keep your spine neutral, not slouched or hyperarched, and shoulders relaxed. Place a cushion or towel under your sit bones to lift your pelvis into better alignment. Set a timer every 30 minutes to reset your posture and stand or stretch briefly. You can even try sitting on a stability ball to engage your core while you work. Ergonomics matter. Adjust your chair and screen height to avoid strain. Good seated posture can greatly reduce back and neck discomfort. 6. Day 6. Hip flexor stretching. Tight hips often pull the pelvis forward, leading to an exaggerated lower back arch. To fix this, try a kneeling lunge stretch for your hip flexors and thighs. Keep your back tall and gently push your hips forward to feel the stretch. Hold for 30 seconds on each side and repeat 2 to 3 times daily. This helps release tension and restore neutral pelvic alignment. Combine it with glute bridges to strengthen your posterior chain. Stretching and strengthening together are the key to posture correction. Open hips lead to better balance and a more upright, pain-free stance. 7. Day 7. Strengthen the upper back. A strong upper back is essential to maintain upright posture throughout the day. Incorporate rows using resistance bands or bodyweight to build postural endurance. Also try YTW exercises lying on your stomach or against a wall. Do 10 to 12 reps of each move, focusing on slow and controlled movement. These target your traps, rhomboids, and rear delts, the muscles that keep your shoulders back. If these muscles are weak, you'll slouch even if you're trying to sit straight. Strength builds stability. Don't skip it if you want lasting change. A strong back makes good posture feel effortless, not forced. 8. Bonus tip. Practice mindful walking. Posture isn't just about sitting, it's how you move through the world too. Practice walking with your head tall, chest open, and core gently engaged. Roll through each footstep and avoid stomping or leaning forward. Imagine a string lifting you from the crown of your head. Keep your gaze forward, not down at your phone. Every step is a chance to reinforce your posture habits. Walking tall improves confidence and trains better body mechanics. Let your stride reflect the alignment you're building. 9. Bonus tip. Breathe into better posture. Breathing deeply through your nose and into your belly encourages better posture automatically. Shallow chest breathing tightens the neck and shoulders, reinforcing poor posture. Practice diaphragmatic breathing lying on your back or sitting upright. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 2, and exhale for 6 seconds. As your ribs expand, your spine finds its natural lift. Good breath supports your core from the inside out. Combine breath awareness with posture checks for double the benefit. Calm, deep breathing makes upright posture feel natural and sustainable. This breathing pattern also activates your parasympathetic nervous system, reducing stress and tension. With time, your breath and posture work in harmony to support energy, presence, and grace. 10. Posture reset anytime, anywhere. Create a daily posture reset routine that you can do in under 10 minutes. Include 1 to 2 stretches, a few strengthening moves, and some breathing. This routine should become your body's check-in moment each day. Use transitions, like before lunch or after work, to realign and recharge. The more consistent you are, the more your body adapts. You don't need perfect form all day, just regular effort and gentle correction. Let posture become your moving meditation, not a strict rule. A little reset each day leads to long-term transformation. Even just standing tall for a minute can shift your mindset and energy. The power of posture is always within reach. Just pause, align, and breathe. Improving your posture doesn't require hours in the gym or drastic changes. With just a few minutes a day and simple awareness, your body can relearn how to align. Better posture means less pain, more energy, and greater confidence in your everyday life. So start with these 7 days, repeat them, tweak them, and make them your own routine. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who needs a posture reset. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips, and drop a comment telling us your biggest posture struggle. Thanks for watching, and here's to standing tall, moving freely, and feeling your best every single day. Your spine will thank you.